All right, coming to the backyard here on the west side. Yeah, no scuppers up here. So coming through here now, all the trees have a new bubbler line that was installed recently. So no irrigation needed on any of these big trees. They created some berms, but we need to do some compaction on the berms. So tamping them all down. So, you know, I would say probably 4 hours of labor to just get these berms totally perfect. We're gonna fill them all up with wood chips. Yeah, but so no irrigation needed on any of the tree bubbler line. She also has this this river rock arroyo that goes all the way down to the end and up to the weep hole on the wall up there for the kind of the wash that flows through here. So storm wash. Oh, that one's dead. Here we are. Just get the backyard. This area, we weren't talking about too many new things. Again, other than moving the water, or I'm sorry, just getting the tree wells done right. And also what we talked about, and Don Titmus told her too, though, is to add some taller pollinator plants in the tree wells of all these guys to help protect the trunks. So, you know, throw in a brittle bush or whatever to just kind of shade out the trunk of in the tree well. The other thing that I talked to her about, and she's open to it, what I like to do with this wash is to see if I can bring it in the landscape a little more. So, you know, even in a spot like this, to potentially bring it through here and then back around, you know, maybe even meandering around these trees and digging these channels a little deeper, because it's pretty flat. And she said on the huge rain events that one time, they've only lived here 10 years, you know, but they had a year where the pool got washed out by a storm. So it was all mud. So deeper channels is a big one. Now they have this other channel in the ground right here. Hopefully my camera's picking it up, with the cool bridge, and it moves all the way all over there. I would love to dig this out deeper and have it be a real true channel. And this whole yard comes this way. It grades out this way, coming back to the house. She says that it goes basically right down the side yard here and into the front. So right there is where that water is going. And I told her what I'd like to do is have it, like, just have the water never go there anymore. Don't want it coming up by the house, but it would be nice to have a deep channel here that all sheet flow hits and comes into the channel, and maybe even moves back, you know, down this way as opposed to coming back towards the house. So here with some rock, be really nice. She's very open to that, loves the idea of it. Some of the trees, same thing here. I would love to kick it in a couple of times. Because, you know, again, it's just a straight arroyo. So, you know, all these fruit trees have had a lot of trouble. This one's dead, this one's dead, this one's struggling. We did talk about replacing them with some mulberries because it's a real hot spot of the yard. But also, let's see if we could channel some of that rainwater through here as well, to give that a little extra juice. And have it maybe come back to there. And then maybe it comes back again over here. So we got opportunities on wiggling that water through here.